So, hi everyone. So, get ready with me kasi papasok tayo kasi may exam kami. So, guys, I'm done with the sunscreen and I'm done with this powder for my face. And now, maglalagay lang ako nito. So, wait. So, guys, I'm done with this. So, kukunin ko lang yung lip tint ko and my lip gloss. So, guys, nakuha ko na yung lip tint ko. Let's open it. Oh my god. Wait lang guys, ayusin ko lang ha. Just wait. So ayan guys, natingnan ko na sa salamin and okay naman siya. So, I'm gonna go lip glossing. Lip glossing. So guys, wait, papainalize ko lang. So guys, comment for part 2 kasi